Are you coming to Prague anytime soon? Then this vlog will help you how to use a public transportation in Prague. It's very, very, very complicated.
No, it's not.
We have been here for the last 6 days. So if you ask me about the Prague transportation, I will say, yeah, it's pretty easy. But at the same time, this is the vlog for someone who is coming in Prague for the first time or coming in Europe for the first time. Prague's public transportation is huge. They have trains, subway, bus, tram, and also a small ferry that you will see somewhere around here. And they are very cute, by the way. Those ferries are very, very cute. We did take once yesterday to go to the other side of the river. If you want to navigate through Prague, I would say use Google Maps or PID app as well. You just type your destination and it will show you which public transportation you should be taking. It can be ferry, it can be tram, or it can be metro as well. And they are pretty easy to understand. This kind of machines you will find in any metros, and these machines are in 4 languages: Czech, English, German, and the fourth, I guess, French, I guess so. But it's pretty easy to use. So you just click English if your language is English, and then you just have to click on buy tickets. Now, depend on how much time it will take for you to go to one place to the other. It can take up to 30 minutes or more than 30 minutes. So you can buy a 30-minute ticket, which is gonna cost 30 crowns, or you can buy a 90-minute ticket as well, which is gonna be costing you 40 crowns. And on top of that, you can also buy a 24-hour pass as well. That will give you access to all the public transportation in Prague for 24 hours. And there is another pass for 72 hours as well. So you can buy that as well if you are in Prague for more than 1 day. So on all these machines, you can either pay by cash or card as well. One pro tip, always buy a ticket for your luggage as well, because if the ticket checker will find you with the luggage in the public transportation and you haven't bought the ticket for that luggage, they are gonna find. So with those kiosks, you will get the ticket, which is gonna look like this. Yeah. And before you enter the metro, or once you enter the tram or the bus, you have to validate it. It will give you a timestamp once you validate it. Also, there are a couple of more machines similar to those kiosks that you can find on bus stands and also on tram station as well. The operation wise, they are pretty similar. Do not travel in public transportation without proper ticket. Ticket checkers, they are everywhere, because in the last 6-7 days we have seen them very frequently in all public transportation. They will show you the badge. It's like a big ring, and you have to show them your ticket, otherwise they will fine you. If you don't want to use a public transportation, or you have some spare money in your pocket, there are some other options as well, which is Uber, Bolt, and Lime scooters as well. But if you are in Old Town and if you're only gonna explore Old Town, I don't think you will need the Uber or Bolt, because everything is very close by. You can walk, and public transportation is really cheap as well. So we never had to use Uber or Bolt, because they are the expensive options for us. But if you decide to, let's say, rent a Lime scooter, just remember that Lime scooters, they are not allowed to ride on the footpath. They are only allowed to ride on the main road. But we saw so many tourists riding on a footpath, and they are, I guess, from my opinion, they are a bit nuisance, because Prague is a really busy city, and there are so many walkers who just want to enjoy the city while walking the whole city.